Hello everyone. In this video, we will guide you on how to reset File Explorer folder view on Windows 11. A lot of customization is possible on Windows 11. If you have already made several changes in the File Explorer folder view or do for some reason you need to reset it, this Garip Windows article will guide you. Using File Explorer folder views, one can add or remove the Preview/Details pane, display icons versus list, group, sort, show hide file/folders, customize empty drive, and a lot. Windows File Explorer includes 5 folder templates that you can use to customize the view of folders. These are general items, documents, pictures, music, and videos. Each of these templates equips a unique layout, sorting, and grouping objects, depending on the folder's content type. How to reset File Explorer folder view on Windows 11. To reset everything back to the default in File Explorer folder view on a Windows 11 machine, first, open File Explorer by pressing Windows +E keys or any other method you prefer to use. Then, click on the 3 dots menu and select the options from the drop-down. When you're done, the Folder Options window will appear. In the Folder Options dialog, select the View tab. After that, click the Reset Folders button. When the Folder Views dialog asks you, do you want to reset all folders of this type to the default view settings, click the Yes button. Next, click the Apply button. Finally, click on the OK button to exit the Folder Options dialog. After completing the above steps, File Explorer folder views will reset to the default. That's it. Subscribe to Garip Windows channel to learn more about Windows. Bye bye. See you on the next video.